Hey guys, it's Kira here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a sit down video for you. I'm currently sitting on the floor in my office. I'm surrounded by bits and I have a Penneys / Primark homeware haul. So if you've been watching any of my other YouTube videos, you'll know that I moved apartments recently. I moved in the new year, and one of the things that I was the most excited about was doing a big Penneys homeware haul. Whenever I move, or even if I'm just rejigging a space or in need of a little bit of an interiors fix, it is my first port of call. It is so affordable and they have such a good mix across like bedding, cushions, candles, decor, honestly everything, and it expands all the time. So needless to say, I was very excited to go in. So I've teamed up with Penneys for this video and I'm so excited because I would have been doing this haul anyway, so it is great to team up with them. My total cost for everything was well under €200. I have the receipt here somewhere that I can look to. Most of the things have the prices on them anyway, so I'm going to absolutely fly through this because there is a lot to get through. I have kind of sectioned it off into cushions and throws. I have some decor pieces. I have some kind of, I would say like kitchen bits, cleany bits, and then I also have some storage, and yeah, there's just a lot. There's a lot to get through. I'm going to start with probably my favorite piece from the whole haul, and it is this very interesting looking leaf sculpture stand thingy-majig. What I couldn't get over with this guy is that it cost €7, and I was looking for something like this for my console table. I wanted like a stand piece of decor, preferably in a gold shade to add like a little pop of something, and this was perfect. And it's this beautiful leaf detail. It's fairly weighty. Again, it was €7. They have absolutely loads of them. You cannot miss them if you go into the homeware section. This is my absolute favorite thing from the haul. I'm going to put this on my console table. I'll show a picture if I have it done already, but I'm kind of completing my console table. If you watch my last video, you'll see kind of what it's looking like now, but it needed a few more pieces. So this is the first thing I picked up. Absolutely love it. Sticking with the gold theme, I'm going to put this down. There's going to be a lot of moving around because I have so much stuff. I'm going to show you 3 other gold pieces that I picked up. So the next thing I have is this little gold tiger. This guy is very cute. He looks a lot kind of more heavier than he actually is. He's not brass. It's, I don't know what it is, but it's not super heavy. And this is basically just a little accent piece. It doesn't really do anything. I've seen these before where they're like bottle openers, but you could put this one on a console table, you could put it on a nightstand, coffee table, I mean really anywhere. I think this would look really cool on a bar cart as well. That's a potential place where I will pop this, but again, really liked it. This was €5, which honestly is incredible. Next up in my little gold series is this. It's a Flamingo little tray dish. This was €6, and again, you can stand this on its own as a piece of decor, bar cart, console table, coffee table, nightstand, wherever you want to put it, literally anywhere, bookshelf. But it also has a little dish feature here so you can pop in, I mean it's a little bit small for keys, but you could use this for jewelry or bits and bobs as well. So yeah, I thought this was really cool. It's a really nice warm gold. I'm going to show you another gold item that I have that is in a cooler toned gold. I also loved this one. This was €4. Again, very light. This is just like a little parrot statue. Again, you can put this pretty much anywhere you want. I have a few ideas for these. I'm just going to play around with some setups on things. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, I will leave my link in the description. Definitely follow me over there because you'll see where I end up putting all of these things. Sometimes it takes a while to play around and see what works, but you will see these pretty soon on some sort of surface in my apartment. But anyway, so this one was €4, this one was €6, and I absolutely love them both. Okay, so next up in the haul, I picked up another gold item, and it is this gorgeous brushed gold effect plant pot. So there is no plant in this, but again, you can put whatever you want in this, but it is intended for a plant. And this one was €7, and it comes with these lovely wooden little legs on it, and it's not detachable, but you can put your plant, you know the way plants come in those little plastic holders, you can pop that in here. So if you're a bit worried about keeping real plants alive, they have some fantastic artificial ones, but I wanted to go for a pot because I think I want to put a real plant in this. So speaking of artificial plants, I also picked up a hanging faux plant, and it is this guy right here. It is gold and green, 2 beautiful colors. I actually haven't taken this out yet, so it's probably going to look a little bit messy, but basically I'm going to have to Woo, it's like a weird hat. I'm gonna have to untie this. It has a little cable tie on it, but it basically hangs down. Actually looks really good on camera, and then it's in its own little gold holder, and the idea is that it looks like this. And this guy was €7. They have a much bigger one. I think it was €9, but I wanted to go for the smaller size. I have an idea as to where I'm going to put this. I'm waiting on a bookshelf for my sitting room, and I think I'm going to pop it on top of that. But again, you can hang this up from a hook on a wall. My only artificial plant in the haul, but like I said, they have some amazing ones in there. So another piece of decor that I picked up is this little dish. This was €4, very affordable. And again, this could work on a console table, perfect for a nightstand to put your little trinkets and rings and watches and things in before you go to bed. And you can also pop this in a bathroom. I mean, you don't need me to tell you all the different places that you can put this, but again, super affordable, €4. Loved the gold leaf detail. Okay, so that is everything from my gold themed part of the haul. I'm going to move on to cushions and throws because I picked up quite a few. This is a really hard color to describe. I believe this kind of yellow goldy green is called chartreuse. But anyway, I got these in a really nice velvet finish. So we are currently waiting on a couch from Navan Sofa Factory. They're making us a custom couch, which I'm really excited about, and the perfect way to dress it up will be to pick up some really nice cushions from Primark. So I picked up this color because I think it will offset really well with the navy. Now I'm gonna have to see it in person, but again, the covers come off these, so if you want to wash them, if you spill something on them, you can take them out and then you have your cushion in there, which is really handy. And I have done this before. I used to have some blue velvet cushions from Penneys. They're actually so soft as well. These were €6 each, and I picked up 2 of them. These are in the 45cm size. So I'm gonna throw these over here, and I'm gonna show you the next set of cushions that I picked up. So these are kind of like a woven effect. They're like a waffle like material on the front. They have these gorgeous little tassels on the corners. These were €12 each, and these were the 50 by 50. So again, depending on whether you wanted to stick with these, eventually if you wanted to switch them out, it's the 50 by 50 cushion. Really nice, gorgeous feeling on them. I think these are going to be used for the bedroom. I'm switching up the cushions that I have on our bed because I've had the same ones forever. Another really nice cushion that I picked up is an accent pillow, if you will. I mean, I think all of these are accent pillows because they go on top of the bed. It has this gorgeous like geometric pattern on it, and again, it's got that kind of metallic-y gold finish to it. So I think that this will work really well with these, and I'm going to do a new kind of display on the bed. So again, I will showcase that as soon as it's done. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely go and do that because that's where you'll see all those things first. But I'm going to do a new little cushion setup, and I think these will work really well. It was €8, and this is 60 by 30 in length. Okay, so I'm almost finished with the soft furnishings. I have 2 throws that I'm going to show you, and oh, I love a throw. I mean, I'm a napper. I'm a cozy person, love being warm and cozy, so throws are my favorite thing ever, and Primark do really good ones, and they're super affordable. So I have 2 here. I got 2 of their extra large ones because if you're getting a throw, why not go extra large? The first one I picked up is this lovely black color. I don't know why I was drawn to the black. I'm just kind of really loving the kind of dark plush fabrics at the moment, so I feel like this will work really well on the couch. Again, we're waiting on our like dark kind of navy sofa, so I think this will work really well on it. I might pick up another throw in like a lighter color, or even a pop of color to offset this, but this is going to be the main throw. It's very large. This was €16 and it's incredibly soft. It's that gorgeous like fleece material. The next throw that I picked up is a slightly different one. So this has a texture to the grey. This one was €18. I think the extra cost was obviously the kind of feature in the material. So this again is that really large size, very cozy, exact same fleece, but this one has the lovely little, again, it's kind of like a geometric detail on it. And yeah, I can't wait to be wrapped up in this. I love it. So I picked up a memory foam bath mat for €8. Now I went for the darker color because I use fake tan in my bathroom, and every so often when I'm fake tanning, I will drop a gigantic piece of tan on my bath mat. So I've had cream and like white and pink ones before, but I figured this time I would go for grey because it's just going to be a lot easier to keep clean. I love the memory foam because it's really squishy on your feet, but these are washable as well. So another thing I picked up is, to me, an absolute essential, and it is this bath shelf. So this was €10. I actually was going to pick up one of these online, which including shipping would have cost me a lot more. So this basically sits on either side of your bath, and you can put your iPad, your wine, your snacks, your candle, and you can basically chill out in the bath. I haven't had a bath in my apartment for years, so now that we have one, I'm taking baths every single week, and I can't wait to use my little tray. Actually, I think this will segue in nicely to the next group of things that I picked up in this haul, and that is candles. If you are going into the Penneys homeware section, you can't not pick up at least one candle. They have so many good ones, and genuinely, I've been using them for years. Their burn time is great, and the smell is gorgeous. I actually picked up 5 candles. How did I carry all this? I actually don't know how I made it to the car park. So I picked up 2 of these plain ones. This one is clean cotton, white lilac and amber. This was $2.50. Again, really nice size. I also picked up this lantern candle. Now this one is unscented. This is meant to go in lanterns, larger things. I actually have some really nice bell jar things, you know, those glass jars that candles go in, and I was thinking of popping this in that. Again, this one was €2, so affordable. I also picked up this soft cashmere one. It's cashmere and vanilla flower. This was $2.50. The next one that I got actually comes in a really beautiful pot, and it is €3. This one is Madagascan vanilla. Oh my god, vanilla and patchouli. Oh, this smells so good. That one was €3, and like, it comes with such a nice holder. You could easily reuse this. So Penneys have a range of €1 candles, and it's really handy if you're like, I don't know, trying to round off a purchase, or if you have a gift voucher or whatever. They're just so affordable. This one is, again, their clean cotton scent. Really, really nice. And obviously these are smaller, so they won't burn for as longer, but it's really nice if you're having a cozy evening in. I mean, a €1 candle, you're not going to feel guilty about it. Actually, this would be a good bath candle, because if it falls in the bath, you won't be too sad because you didn't spend that much on it. We are flying through this, but I have a few more pieces to show you. They're all kind of a bit miscellaneous now, so I'm just gonna run through them. So I picked up 2 of these jumbo storage bags. So these were $2.50 each, and the idea behind these is I have, like a lot of people in Ireland, those high wardrobes that have like a gap at the top. It's like an extra shelf that's really high, so really you're putting things in there that you're not going to be accessing very frequently. So the idea with these is to put vacuum bags of off-season clothing or shoes and accessories that I won't be using this time of the year. So obviously we're coming into spring, fingers crossed, when the weather gets a bit better, I will vacuum pack and store away all of my heavy winter coats. It saves so much space. These would be great if you had under bed storage. I don't. Our bed boxes go all the way down, but you could use these for a bunch of different things. Speaking of vacuum bags, I actually picked up another pack of vacuum bags. I usually get my vacuum bags from Penneys. I've tried them from shops like Deals where they're like $1.50 and they are not strong enough, whereas the Penneys ones are €4. You can get 2 for €4. They also do an extra large pack that has 2 in it, I think, and they're very sturdy. Okay, so we are almost there. Everything else on the haul are kind of kitcheny things. Here I have a 4-pack of reusable straws. I've been meaning to pick up reusable straws. I had some and ended up losing them, so I'm going to try and have some in the house and maybe one in my car as well for when I'm having drinks on the go. Again, this was €3 and they come in gold, but I'm pretty sure they come in other finishes as well. Next thing that I picked up is this really nice chopping board. I don't know what persuaded me. I just saw it and was like, that's really nice. I think this will be perfect for making a charcuterie board. I really hope I've pronounced that right. I get so confused and think it's charcuterie or like charcuterie. That's not it. But you know those boards that have like the cheese and the ham and all the little nibbles? I think this would be perfect for making a mini one for myself and Joseph. Something that I never really feature on my channel, which is cleaning supplies, and it is these 2-pack of an antibacterial cleaning sponges. And I'm actually repurchasing this. It's very similar to the Minky sponge that Mrs. Hinch uses, which seems to be sold out absolutely everywhere. It has a softer side for polishing and wiping, and then has a more textured side for scrubbing. It's $2.50 for a pack of 2. They kind of changed the game. Like, you could use these for washing your dishes, but I use these for cleaning and wiping down surfaces. They're amazing, like so good, you won't regret it. One last item in the haul, and it is this lovely set of bamboo placemats. This was €5 for a pack of 4. We have a gorgeous kind of black round table, which is the perfect size, and these will work really, really well on it. I like that they're that nice woven kind of basket rattan finish. I think they'll be gorgeous with the other accents on the table, and yeah, really, really affordable as well. So there you go, guys. That was my homewares haul. I'm absolutely exhausted. Like I said, I picked up a lot of things in there, and obviously given that I've moved apartments, there are a lot of things that we're redoing, you know, some of our little decor pieces, and also I have a whole new room that I am decorating, so that is why it was such an extensive haul. In total, the cost was $177.50, and considering I got cushions, throws, kitchen bits, bathroom, candles, I mean decor, you name it, I am so incredibly impressed with that. So like I said, if you haven't followed me over on my Instagram page, I will link that below. That way you will be able to see all of these pieces as they actually kind of filter into the house. I'm so excited to take off the packaging and just start arranging them and moving things around. So definitely go and follow me over there, because that is where you will see the first look at where everything is going. I will probably be back in there to pick up more stuff in the near future, because they just had so much amazing stuff in there, and I definitely will have more interiors videos and interiors hauls coming soon. But if you like these interiors videos and you want to see more of them, then do give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and if you have not already, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I am posting new videos every single week, and I would love to have you back for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!